How to get two-factor authentication on Rocket League. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up any browser and then search for Epic Games. Open up the official website of Epic Games and just click on it and you will be redirected to this website. Now sign into your account and after that hover around your cursor on your profile and here you will find the option of account. Just click on it. After that you will be redirected to this page. Some of the information is sensitive, that's why I have hidden it. So you gotta click on this option of password and security. Now scroll down and over here you will find the option of two-factor authentication. You get three options to choose from. You can use either your phone, your email or SMS on your phone. So just simply click on setup according to your needs and preferences, and this is how easy it is to get two-factor authentication on Rocket League. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.